Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning how to create a PDF file. To create a PDF file, we have a popular app called as Cam Scanner. So first you need to have the Cam Scanner app in your mobile phone. So first we'll learn how to install the Cam Scanner. So go to Play Store in your mobile phone. So type in here Cam Scanner. Already I have typed. So it's just on see this. So here you can observe there is a CS symbol. So just click on install. It will take few minutes based on your data. It is of around 53 MB. So we'll install the Cam Scanner app. It is a very user friendly app to install or to create a PDF file. There are other apps also you can use, but today we'll be exclusively learning about the Cam Scanner app. So you can see here many other apps are also there which will allow you to create PDF file. So we'll be learning only about the Cam Scanner. So still it is installing. So once it get installed into your mobile, okay, we'll click on open. Now suppose we have already a written document, that is your IA answer booklet or IA answers you have written in a paper. So you want to upload this, so you simply say skip, don't want just a basic one. So you can purchase if you want premium also, and then it will ask for your registration. You may use this or you may skip this. So directly click on use now. So here it will ask for the Cam Scanner app will access the photos, medias and files, say allow. Okay, then see here the start scanning is highlighted, so click on start scanning, say allow. So here it will ask for you want a demo of this. You can see a demo of it, right? So I'll directly jump into how to create a PDF file. So just like a camera app, so it is showing. So here we have one document written, right? Your maybe IA booklet. So here I'll see this. I'll click on the image. Your hand should be still while scanning an image, right? You can select an area, define an area what to be scanned. So here you can see next is getting highlighted. We'll click on next. So see here the one image is being scanned successfully. Now you click on save. Okay, so one image or one page is being added to the Cam Scan. The same way you can add many pages. Click on add, tap on add another page. Maybe I want to add the second page also. So here I have, so I'll select this. I'll click on the camera button again. Maybe this is the content what I want to scan. You can realign it based on whether it is taking complete picture or no. So here I'll say next. So see here this has scanned, right? So next I'll click on save. I'll click on the save button. So this is how the two pages have been scanned now. So if you want again another page, you can click on multiple page. So it will provide some help also if you want. So I don't want that help. So you can add another page here. Click on camera button, right? So see here, this is the third page. Just click on it. So I'll say next. So say click on save. So 3 pages have been added to this PDF file. Now what you have to do is simply click on the PDF. So here it is. So simply click on PDF. So it will be asking for remove watermark. If you want to pay this and purchase, then you can remove this. We don't want this, right? So simply it has created a PDF file of 3 pages. This is first page, this is second page and this is third page. So next So once you create your PDF file, the next thing is you can give a proper name to it. You can click on the three dots available here, this one, and say rename, right? You may say you're writing an IA booklet for SAD subject, so I'll say system analysis and design, or in shortcut SAD IA. I'll write SAD IA, right? I'll say OK. So this is how the naming should be done. So once you have saved your file, the next thing is you want to download it to your mobile phone. So this is a file. You can simply click on this button, right? Share the PDF. Then here click again share. Then say I want to download it, save to the local computer or local mobile phone. So save to local. So it has been saved to the cam scanner file, the folder. So once it is being saved, you can upload it, or I will locate it where it is. So I'll quit this. I don't want the cam scanner. Yes, quit. So we will locate here. So I'll go to my files folder. So here your internal storage somewhere here, right? So here is a cam scanner folder. So here you can see my SAT PDF file is being stored. So you can say click here, open with some app. So Acrobat Reader I'll be using here. So this is my PDF file which I have created using the cam scanner, which is being saved. So once you save this, you can upload it anywhere. Now suppose for example you want to upload it to the Google form. So to upload it to Google form, already any of the faculty will be sharing you this link. So I'll be going to the Google form here. Simply click on the Google form. It will take a while to open. So once it is done, say for example this is BCA second sem mathematics I test 2. So I'll write my name here, say Abdul Mateen. Then here I'll be providing my email address. Okay, then you may say address, I don't know why we want this. Okay, Dharwad. Then I'll add my phone number here. Then there are some few questions. Maybe the score matrix should have so equal number of rows and columns. Maybe you can attach a file here. Click on it. So here it will be asking select files from your device. So simply click on this, right? So you can go to files. So as I've shown you, it will be saved in a cam scanner folder. So simply go to cam scanner, locate it. So here I have the SAD-IA file. So click on upload. So it will take some time to upload. So see here you can see the attachment is added, the PDF file. So simply I'll say submit. So see here it is being submitted to the Google form. My response is being submitted. I hope this video is useful for you. So I'll conclude this. Thank you.